Hello, my name is Gerard and I will be the person in charge of guiding you through this course of app creation. On this occasion, we will continue where we left off in the elementary course of app creation that you surely have already completed. If you haven't done it yet, I invite you to do it. You just have to go back to the Academy Courses section and click on Course in Creation of Mobile Applications with King of App. It is essential to do so, since the content we will see in this course will be related to what we developed in the first part. As you will remember, in the elementary course of application creation, you learned to handle the builder and the different components of a King of App application: templates, modules, services, and customization. In addition, we followed the necessary steps to create a simple application using and configuring the HTML, YouTube and Twitter modules, and the Google Analytics service. We also learned how to customize our application, altering image elements, color and location of different objects in the menu and in other app contents. We talked about the publication methods available on the different data to fill in for your application to be accepted in the app stores. Did you follow the whole process, step by step? Now is the time to make a more sophisticated application than the one you made with us in the elementary course. In this course, you will learn how to update modules, add a cover for your application, and generate an internal link between the different views or sections of your application without having to go through the menu. You will learn to insert third-party code, which will multiply the possibilities of the tool, including functionalities not yet available in the modules uploaded to the market. We will make apps with a more complex structure than the one seen in the previous course. To do this, we will use the module view and menus within menus to create sections and subsections. Will your application be launched in different languages? You will learn how to use the multi-language module. In addition, we will explain how to configure and send push notifications. We will visit the internal analytics section integrated in King of App's own platform. Also, you will learn how to integrate AdMob in your application, the Google platform thanks to which you will be able to insert different ad formats with which you will be able to monetize your app. Finally, we will visit the advanced configuration section present in each module and from which you will be able to alter the code of each functionality to adapt it to your needs. Are you ready to take the leap to a new level with King of App? Let's get started.